What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, share, post notifications. Today we are unboxing one of three different plays that we do. We will be oh my goodness, we will be doing a series on. So we have a dark pink play, which is this one. We have like a light pink play, then we got a red play, and then we also have the red go. And then also we do have the skin color nude type TPOB play coming this weekend, and the gold and black TPOB Play Mini as well. So we got a lot of unboxings to show you guys, but today this is what we're unboxing. Made a promise to my mama that I gotta be better than I was, which is the TPOB Play Pro Play Mini. Yeah, so this right here, it is really dope. I've already took a peek at it. So we'll get to the unboxing and all that stuff afterwards. What I want to show you first is how this clipper cuts. We'll dive into everything that's inside this box later on in the video. What I wanted to show you first is a demo of how this clipper actually cuts behind the chair. So we will be doing a taper haircut here in the next few minutes. Got a client coming in. It's gonna be a high taper. We're gonna do some debulking, I'm sure, because I don't think he's got his haircut in a little bit. So we'll be able to showcase that, the blending, and yeah, overall this clipper is awesome. I love the Mini. I have a couple Minis already, and what takes your Play Mini to the next level, it's already a great clipper, don't get me wrong, but when you add that Echo blade to it, top tier, chef's kiss. But let's get to this haircut and then get into this box so you guys can see what it comes with.
No. New cables. No, when do you think I'm coming back? I don't. That's because I'm not. I'm serious. If I leave now, I'm not coming back. So just shut up, Bradley. Last time.
All right, guys, you've seen how it cuts. We're not going to waste any time here. We got the TPOB Play Mini powered by Acme. 3 hours of runtime, chunk blade, dual speed motor. Comes with your charging dock. There's a diagram of your clipper. We have the Valentine's Day themed box, as you can see, all the hearts and whatnot. Back here, we do have chunk blade with oil reservoirs, interchangeable rubber logos, 5-click stretch lever, 2-speed switch, battery LED indicator light. If your battery is green on, that means that your battery level is high. If the LED indicator light is red, that means your battery is low. And if it's flashing, it means you better throw it on that charging dock ASAP. You have interchangeable rubber grips. TPOB Mini Play is powered by constant torque technology, sensing blade resistance and automatically boosting motor speed, so it never drags, never stalls. Patented Acme motor, dual speed settings from 6,000 to 7,500 RPM, delivering serious power in a compact frame. Ergonomic slim grip, rubberized design with thumb indent for maximum comfort and precision. Smallest clipper in the industry. Ultra compact body built for precision fades and all-day control. Whisper quiet, the quietest motor in the industry at just 58 decibels. Battery built for barbers, 3+ hours of cordless cutting from a 3-hour charge. Insane runtime for the smallest clipper out there. Snap Tech 5 lever tech, new smoother, clickerier 5-step stretch lever, opening clean to a true #1. Chunk blade, extended range design that opens wide for extra stretch and cleaner fades. So let's open the box here. So we have our box. Going to slide that open. Contrary to what we usually have, which is the cartoon artwork up here, we don't have that this time. We have the hearts, the cartoon hearts we got there, but this does come with a user manual, which we chuck away because we never use that thing. We have our guards here. For our guards, we do have a half guard through a 4 guard. So those are the guards. We do have a charging dock, as you can see here. Here is the charging dock. Nice and dark pink. I like that. You could shut the clipper right there, and then you put the charging cord there with your rubber grips there. Now let's go ahead and open it up, the clipper. Even though we've already used this, I'm gonna let you guys see it anyway. But I love this colorway. Look at that colorway, guys. Beautiful. I didn't think I was really gonna vibe with it, but it's different. And then you got the purplish chunk blade as well. It's looking good. And then we have the USB-C charging. You could charge right here as well, or you could set it on your charging dock like we mentioned before. But the blade, look at the blade. You got the hearts on there, purple. You got your 5-click lever system. The SnapTech click lever just feels so smooth. And this quiet is just, this clipper is so quiet. A lot of times clients won't even know if it's on. Not even capping. It's just that quiet. You know, a lot of clients are just used to clippers being so loud in their ear or trimmers so loud in their ear, but the Play brings a different dimension to that. But that is the clipper. I will give you guys my overall views after we wrap up this unboxing. After we get through everything that comes with it. But inside the bottom here, you have your oil, you have a screwdriver, you have a zero gapping tool, you have a brush, and then you have your charging cord. So that's what comes in the box. Now let's get to my final thoughts on how it operates behind the chair. All right, guys, so I used the TPOB Play Mini, the darker pink edition that we got for the Valentine's Day drop. I used it all day yesterday, and I gotta say, I absolutely love it. My go-to clipper has been, you know, for the most part, the gray, all grayed out PlayStation TPOB Play Mini. The only difference is this has a different blade. Now we'll go over that here in a second. But overall, pros of the clipper. You got your battery life. Your battery life is more than what it takes to charge the clipper. So that's a dub right there. The next win that we have for this is just the overall aesthetic of the clipper. I mean, that pink on pink on pink with the blade even being pink and just the little accents. You know, you got the little heart on the Play there that I didn't show you guys earlier. You get the hearts on the blade. Overall, this is just a really, really nice aesthetic clipper. It looks good, feels good in the hand. And you know, it's quiet, super, super quiet. So that is a win. You're not in your client's ear, just buzzing the heck out of their eardrums. I'm trying to think of what else I could think of. Ergonomically, it feels good. It feels good in the hand. Thumbprint feels like where it needs to be at. Your finger grooves feel like where they need to be at. Sometimes when you get clippers, there was one that was like really crazy to me that didn't feel like really where it needed to be at, like on my hand, and that was the Babyliss FX1 Low Pro. I feel like the placement of that thumbprint on there was just not where I would hold the clipper, and that happens to be the case for a lot of different clippers. I mean, I know everybody holds their clippers differently, but if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. For this though, it feels great in the hand at that point. It's very smooth when it comes to blending, debulks like nothing. Great tool overall. I don't have many complaints. Trying to think of any other pros I have. I do enjoy the 2 speeds. If you haven't used a clipper with 2 speeds, I suggest you try this out. For me personally, people always ask, like, what's the purpose of 2 speeds? Now, when it comes to me, even with the Go clipper, when I go to debulk, I'm using the higher RPM. I'm gonna turn it up and debulk using that. With the Play, I'm gonna go to the setting number 2 to go ahead and debulk. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend on the lower RPM because for me, it's just more forgiving. It creates a better blend for me personally. So that's how I use the clipper for myself. Let's see, what else do I like here? The SnapTech lever, this lever, opposed to the other Play clipper. I like this lever a lot more than the OG one. See if I can find it for you. So the OG lever had some slight differences. So if you could see the lever on this one compared to this one, this is the newer SnapTech. And this one just feels a lot better in the hand as far as the lever is concerned. Now, I will say the chunk blade is a great blade. I'm not gonna discredit that. It's a good blade. But for me personally, I've been on that Echo blade lately. So if this came with the pinked out Echo blade, I think that would have taken it like next level for me. But that's neither here nor there. That's just my personal preference and opinion. The other thing that I didn't care for was that this clipper is so quiet that I actually have to talk to my clients now. So there's another downfall. But other than that, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, share and post notifications. We have a couple more unboxings to do, like 5 of them. So I got some more clippers coming in today. Hopefully I get this video today. Today is February 19th. If you're watching this video, the gold and black Play drop is going to be today at 4 p.m. and that is going to be delivered sometime today for myself, is even with the skin colored TPOB Play Mini as well. So with that being said, appreciate you guys for tuning in, locking into this video. If you're not subscribed, like I said, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one. God bless.